Alright, just got the new S20 Ultra, and we'll do a quick unboxing video. It might be pretty lame though. Alright, so there we go. So here it is. Pretty cool looking. Gotta transfer all the stuff over to my other phone. I'll tell you, one of the reasons why I got this one, the 20, is because there's no buttons on one side, and if you ride motorcycles and use a ram mount, one of the problems I have is with the ram mount, because these buttons are usually offset on each side, that there's no way to put it in without the ram mount hitting one of your buttons. So this way I can adjust it to where the ram mount does not hit a button on this side and don't have to worry about this side because there's no buttons to press. Alright, so in the box, got the SIM card. We got a, what does this say? The rapid charger? Oh, it's upside down. We have a super fast charger, whatever super fast is. And then here, what we got? Oh, I think that is, yeah, I think that's headphones, earbuds. Oh, let's see what they look like. What do the new earbuds look like? Oh, never mind, not earbuds. It's just a USB-C cable. Actually, it is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay. Alright, what else we got in here? Ah, maybe this is the earbuds. Let's see what the earbuds. Oh, they have it taped shut. Hang on. Okay. And what we got? Ooh, some pretty snazzy looking earbuds. Kind of cooler than any ones I've seen in the past. Maybe not. I kind of like the ones that just... these are kind of like some of the older white ones, but... I don't know. They look pretty cool, I guess. We'll have to see how they actually work. Alright, anything... Oh, and it looks like some different sized buds here come with it. Got 2 more sets. Anything else in the box? As expensive as this phone was, it should come with something cool. It should like wash my bike for me. I don't think there's anything in there. I think that's it. Huh. I guess there's nothing else in there. So anyways, besides that, I got to get it all set up now. So that was a pretty lame unboxing video. This is my wife's phone. You see her pop socket. And then I got one of these cases. Had really good reviews online. Haven't opened it up yet though. And I got some tempered glass. It was actually kind of hard to find. Most of it was just film because it's has the curved screen. So this one had really good reviews though, and it is tempered glass. The only thing is it's only 0.2 millimeters thick. I think usually it's 0.3 on ones I've bought in the past. But it had really good reviews. So we'll put that glass on it. Here's my pop socket. Manly man, V-twin, vroom vroom. Brap brap. Alright, so I gotta set hers up. And then I get to set mine up. And then I'll see how it fits on the ram mount on the bike. Anyways, thanks for watching my very lame box opening, whatever you call it. Alright, see you later, YouTube.